when a day one. So why you crying one? 8 cars, roko 8 cars river. Am I crying put the doing one? We boku on more.
One lie.
Because hello, I say we share forwards and then PKB everything cool.
Everything blessed. So
I say videos and accidents no see Kumasi.
yes, me
Charlie.
You're crazy.
It'd be very bad, eh?
Very extremely
He claimed how many lives?
15 young lives. And the oldest among them we checked was 25.
Jesus Christ.
15 images with what a shock.
Jesus Christ. Where I say me tell common I work and I mean a lot of people work at the Kumasi Kwan, yeah.
The Kwan no good.
Yeah,
the
or
no
there where you the road in where you do you think that honestly speaking, road in problem now?
See, the road is bad. The road is in a bad taste, right?
Yeah.
No two ways about it. No two ways, DJ. But so we
yeah.
And your road in Kwa.
No be only the road they caused the accident.
No be only the road.
Why riches them on
look, you're advocating for a good road. At the same time, and your which is asem. Which is ni baby. Nipa dase ni ankasa.
Jimmy Kanwewa.
Yes, the autistic anechi. Do crest here no muno. Nipa 15 kwa egu muno. Say nipa no. Ne ho asem. Ena me ken, ena ye ken. Enye road nkwa DJ.
So me tell you right, most of the drivers on the Kumasi and Accra road in one say driver for them the reckless driving here more.
Boss.
Some are driving tired.
Extremely tired. Wabreo, but or they are too little say Charlie be me kono also me duru ho. By all means, it no e kwan bia so no also duru ho. Because
anyone when they one so why you crying one 8 cars, roko 8 cars river. Am I crying put the doing one? We boku on more.
One lie.
Because you could spot people driving at 220.
180
on a normal Formula 1 drivers. Me there so oh yeah, wondering their car no yeah. Has it be a obufoma, you go fi kill them or not? But are you serious? So
very serious.
Inti obi ba kede worry to my mwefo na worry to ejambwafo.
Yes.
The fact that we are calling for good roads, let's also check the behavior of
our drivers.
People where they drive on those roads. It be very bad. Like yo, or be pedal was speeding or what a good driver. Like good driver no they mean say you they speed though. Chale. But etum is in park when I ban safely no. I wanna walk for a good driver. Regardless the state of the road in road in the states na fano hunyansa na adwen for driver fado. Because it doesn't make sense today. And I'm rough road, do not record 220. You will definitely die. You die. But
5 cars. 5 cars not so you overtaking.
Exactly.
Into tipper B. Into now onim say funny enough. Big trucks no. Boost more cars no. Because of you say now who be Sammy who akwa jami and then our person will tell me like what you want show me. Because ushe mukra na big trucks no. Ideally, omuka no also omu small cars no.
Yeah.
But some car not omu careful more.
Yeah.
It is a small car do we small car now will drive away nya betre. Say nipa ne gu kan nya mwa sebe ene gu kan na nipa ena wu kwa kusiomo ena wu kwa kusiomo asaba baka ubenya betre na 180 220 enko si baby a de bia ye de hye kwan say ekwan enye nso wahwe wusuban ekwan a wo de car ne nam kwan no so no wahwe. Se odi nipa be ko edi o ma back safely na wo ko po sebi wo ko na se wa brempo a baby park another 10 minutes 5 minutes na obi hu obi na beta e kuku wa breo nso si debi baby ameko no me pese me duru ho wo ye show so betumi duru ho
and you see sometimes them coffee one could see in a room pank I mean you problem they carry souls and then they are recklessness in Tibone we kokum and one thing I dey Ghana police were in recent times young kofa will drive in a watch speedometer why young kwasi overtaking a watch Was it to social media?
They should go for them.
Ones, oh yeah, we dey drive, we dey
TikTok.
drive. Charlie, Ghana police, when we them videos now, they should start arresting these people. Like yo, because we're a set death trap for other people.
Yeah.
So where Jima, mama need Jimmy no more being phone.
Yes.
It shouldn't happen.
No.
Not at all. Because life is precious. Nkwafu wamba 16 was hanging. 15.
Kumasi and Adibia, Accra Kumasi highway, Dibia, Accra Kumasi. You say almost akwako si kwan foforo. And so that omu see omu maintain that and omu ko si kwan foforo.
Boy.
Huh? Well, drivers, yeah, share suban na.
Charlie, let's all work well and make sure that our road is safe because obia your victim at any time.
Anytime.
I'm not for back at me too. A room na ankasa na mponye safe. A room no nye safe. You understand? So let's make our road very safe
for all of us. So if the road is no good, as human beings, let's make sure at least we are putting ourselves first before the road.
Slow down
and slow down. Drive safely.
Slow down.
Bro, what bra parking na Accra? Want to me na wo dey go slow and now you be more commode your tune one any more commode kopim se mo beduru. Na head on collision na doors. Charlie,
it's a wrap.
DJ Paco Rich.